How to fix account warning on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can fix the account warning on TikTok. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, make sure you have updated the TikTok app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store. In the search box, typing in TikTok and go ahead and simply either download or update the TikTok app. Once you've updated TikTok, open it, and then let's say you basically have some kind of warning on your account. Then there could be a couple of reasons why this could be happening in the first place. So let's say you're simply facing any type of account warning. If you go to your profile page, there is a warning at the top of your feed or your account. If you come to the home page, there is a warning somewhere else in between. It simply means that you have violated some kind of community guidelines or TikTok. TikTok has actually set a rule that in order to go ahead and then simply follow those guidelines, but if you don't follow those guidelines, you'll face some kind of community guidelines errors. So simply make sure that is not the case. We're usually waiting most of the time in the warning themselves, it could be a strike as well. So waiting a few hours or a few days or a few weeks would most likely fix that and remove the warning automatically. If not, then you can simply send a report to TikTok by going to your profile page, go to the three bar and then go to settings right over here, and then you could go to the option called report a problem. Once you go to report a problem, I would recommend you to simply tap on this pencil like icon at the very top and then go ahead and then simply enter or submit your feedback on this particular page and then send it to TikTok. They're going to get back to you with a positive solution. Hope this video answered your question. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.